If you are only interested in playing GTA 5 story mode and want to disable Battle Eye, there are 3 different methods to do it. Of the 3, you only need to do one based on the launcher you are using. Note, this will prevent you from accessing GTA Online until you re-enable it again. On Rockstar Launcher, open Settings, go to the General section and look for the Battle Eye option. Uncheck it to disable Battle Eye in story mode. On Epic, go to your library, click the 3 dots under GTA 5 and select Manage. Enable launch options and enter -No Battle Eye. Then close the settings and you are done. On Steam, go to your library. Since I don't have GTA 5 on Steam, just pretend this is GTA 5. So right click on GTA 5 and select Properties. In the launch options field, add -No Battle Eye. Then close the window and you are good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more.